Costa Blanca Beach in Spain is a wonderful destination for those who want to enjoy relaxing and refreshing moments amid amazing natural beauty. Costa Blanca attracts tourists with its fine white sand beaches, clear blue seawater, and vast green mountain scenery. Costa Blanca is part of the Mediterranean coast in southeastern Spain. Its geographical location is in the southeastern region of Spain, in the community of Valencia. With a length of about 200 kilometers, this beach begins in the Denia area in the north and extends down to Pilar de la Horadada in the south. People on the Costa Blanca are often described as friendly and welcoming. With a diverse community of locals and international visitors, this is a thriving cultural scene where everyone is welcome. This cultural diversity is also reflected in cuisine, art, and daily lifestyle. For some, the image of hot girls on the beach is inseparable from Spain's Costa Blanca region. With bright yellow sunshine and smooth white sand, the girls here often wear bikinis, confidently showing off their figure and attractive tanned skin. Costa Blanca Beach in Spain is not only a popular tourist destination, but also a major source of revenue for the country's economy. Costa Blanca's appeal comes from its stunning landscape, warm climate, and developed tourism infrastructure. Join us on our journey to explore the world through wandering. Subscribe today so you don't miss any videos about unique destinations, exciting experiences, and new perspectives on beach tourism.